What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I got a very special package from a company called SUPERCLEAN. And the person that hit me up was Benjamin from SUPERCLEAN, and he sent me out a package for me to kind of review and just kind of show you guys their products. And I have used their products before, but let's go ahead and see what he sent me so we could use it for our cars. And it's pretty cool. He even knew about 86s too, and he talked a little bit about them. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we got. Okay, so I just cut it open and let's see what we got in here. Got SUPERCLEAN absorbent, multi-purpose. So this is used to clean spills, oil spills and stuff. So this could be pretty cool. We'll go ahead and try this out. And we got their SUPERCLEAN grease dissolver. It's pretty cool. It's in a spray. We also got a rough task cleaner degreaser. It comes in a foam. That's awesome. And let's see. So this is just stuff that they said. Say thank you. Kind of shows you their charts, so we could look at that a little deeper later. And just some of their products. So floor absorbent. Let's see, we got a sticker. I think it's a sticker. Pretty cool. Or just a little advertisement. And they also sent me out a shirt. So let me go ahead and that's pretty cool. Feels really nice too, nice and light, which is kind of style shirts I like. It's actually a really cool shirt. Also got a really cool hat, and I believe it's purple like their color here, so that's pretty cool. This is awesome. So yeah, big shout out to Benjamin from SUPERCLEAN for sending me these products and kind of hitting me up for this. So they're really cool. It's not like a sponsorship or anything. He even said I didn't even have to do a video if I didn't want to, but this is really cool, so I wanted to make a video and actually have a lot of stuff to degrease. So this is gonna be really nice to help us degrease it, and we can go ahead and do like a product review on this. So yeah, we go ahead and check out these products and see how well they work. Super excited to use it. Okay, so we are here with my 86 Hatch, and we're going to be trying these SUPERCLEAN products on it. So my engine bay here is pretty dirty, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be using that, a mixture of the foam as well, and we don't really need this, but I'll go ahead and try to use this somewhere to see we could compare it with like your typical cat litter or something and see if this stuff actually works better. But we got these two, so the SUPERCLEAN, and then we're gonna go ahead and try to clean up this engine bay. So you can see here, it's pretty dirty, super greasy. So we'll see how well the SUPERCLEAN could degrease this engine bay. So yeah, let me go ahead and I'm actually gonna be replacing this front too. So let me go ahead and take everything off. That'll actually make it a little easier to kind of work with. So the whole front is finally off. That took a little longer than expected because of this little bolt right here. Might be kind of hot still. Oh. Super stripped, and it was already stripped, so no wonder it wasn't off. It was one of these headlight bolts right here. And there's a lot of stripped bolts on this car. Maybe the previous owner just torqued everything down too hard, or it's just old and rusted. Like this bolt right here, you can see super rusted in here, and I had to actually bang out the bolt. This is just a sleeve for the bolt to go in, so it shouldn't even be getting stuck, but it was stuck, and I just had to bang it out, and it finally came out. But yep, finally got everything off, and let's go ahead and start working on this now. And I eventually want to clean it really well so that I could paint it, but we're just gonna go ahead and degrease it today because it's pretty bad. All right, we're gonna go ahead and try the Super Clean. It's the aerosol spray, and we're gonna get all of the thick stuff, so hopefully it's foamy so that we could let it sit there and let it actually get rid of all the grease. Yes, just like that. So you can spray this stuff pretty liberally, so I mean, I don't think you need to be conservative when you spray this. Kind of helps fight up all the grease. And make sure you're wearing a mask. I should be wearing gloves. Let me get some gloves. Okay, I got on some gloves, better protection, and I am wearing a mask, so just gotta spray all this down. Why not, right? I think all this is coming out anyways. Be careful to get this in your eyes. And then I am going to use a pressure washer to just blast through everything. However, I will be scrubbing it first. And you can see it eating away at the grease already. All the grease is starting to go away, starting to flow away. And the product alone is not going to really get off all the grease. It's just going to help you to be able to actually scrub it off. So you still want to use a brush of some sort and help the product eat the grease away. So as you can see, with like heavy greased up spots like this, you really have to use a brush. So with the foam one, I think you could clean like valve covers and stuff like that. That's not too dirty, it's more surface grease. But I think with a heavier job like this, we probably need a bottle where you actually have more. So that way we can actually spray consistently and kind of help the grease go away. So I'm gonna be using a bottle. I like it. Sprays really nice. And let's just go ahead and continue to degrease this engine bay. You can see it coming off really well already. These heavy spots right here, probably gonna need a pressure washer to take it off, so gonna probably use that. And yeah, let's just keep going. Okay, you guys can see it is super clean now, just like their name, right? And it looks really good. It turned out really great. It actually took out a lot of the grease that was here. Of course, areas like this where there is going to be like years of grease build up, it's going to take a little longer. You're going to have to actually apply a few times and scrub a few times before it comes off well. But overall, the whole engine bay looks so much better now. Some spots are pretty much like almost brand new looking. And yeah, there you go guys, man, it's so clean now. I'm going to go ahead and put on this whole front end again. And like I said, I'm not too worried about this stuff yet because there's not going to be a motor that's going in here for a while. So right now I'm just putting all the exterior on, and it'll eventually have to come off anyways. Like we're gonna have to redo all this, address some of the rust that's here, like here, and the battery pan, and then just little things like that. But overall, it looks so much better now. I like it clean so I can store it better. And then that's it. We're just gonna go ahead and put on the front end now. All right, about 80% of the front is done. And the sad part is my zinky corner light here seems to be cracking. Maybe because it was in the sun, or I'm not sure. But luckily, I think I have a replacement. I don't know if it was this clean, but it's okay. Overall, the body line is very good. I love how everything lines up. Here, it's super clean. The gap is very minimal, and I can open the door real smooth without it hitting the fender. And this car is turning more silver as we go, but it looks good. All the lines here are super good, and surprisingly I put the hood on by myself and took it off this one too. So I'm still waiting for a hood for this car, and hopefully we do get it soon. And I'm waiting for headlights and a bunch of other junk. Need to put on the bumper lights and the grill, and then the headlights, and everything should be good. I don't have a sign, so I need to get the Trueno sign, put that on. This side is still nice and clean, and then you can see the lines here, super smooth as well, and this side too. So you can see the door opens really nice, and this color is actually really nice, like a bluish silver. Kind of wouldn't mind painting the whole car that color, but I have too much blue and green cars. Kind of want to paint this car all white. But yep, here it is. Here's both of the cars. Still super incomplete, but hopefully things will get rolling soon, and we could actually get the cars, at least that car, running. This car might be a while before it gets an engine, but man, it looks so much better with this front. Okay, so there you have it. The headlights are on, the grill is on. I had to take the centerpiece off because I think it's a kooky, so it doesn't really fit well with the grill. So there's no mounting in the middle, but it's still on really good. And these bumper lights are on now. They're not hooked up or anything. None of the lights are hooked up. I wouldn't be able to test it anyways, but it looks so good now. Man, it's finally a complete car. So from when I got it to a shell with nothing, not even doors, to how it looks like now, it looks so amazing. I'm so happy with how this car is turning out and the progress we are making with this car. I can't wait to start working on the rear quarter panel. Once I do that, then we can actually start working on painting the whole car, and then hopefully sourcing out engine for this one. But like I said, kind of want to put that one in here and do something to that. But I do want to enjoy this car once I finish it for a little bit. So this actually might be a shell for who knows how long, but at least we could work on exterior, interior, and everything else, and just make it a very clean shell before I put an engine inside. Okay, and another thing I forgot to show was this. It's been in here, and it's these cutouts. So my buddy B, he recently went fender flares on his car, and he gave me his front cutouts for his fenders, and these will work. All you have to do is use the opposite ends for each side. So this is actually the front right fender, and it fits like that. So it has a little dent here, but I mean, it's gonna be easy to repair because it's just like that. So I could fix that first, and then go ahead and cut it. And luckily it's only messed up right there, so it's perfect. So once I cut it, should be easy to repair. And then these holes I could just weld shut, which should be pretty easy too. So yep, super excited about this. It's gonna make the car look so much cleaner and more OEM. And then yep, and then this side is really clean, so all I have to do is just go ahead and cut the other side, put it on too. But yeah, big shout out to my friend B. Thank you so much, man. this is gonna help the project along so much. This thing is pretty much impossible to fix, to get it real smooth, and so it's nice to have this template to just work with. And so yeah, thank you, man. Big shout out to you, and can't wait to get this started. This will be a whole nother video, and I don't know when I'll do it because I don't have a welder yet. So pretty cool, really excited, and look how good that looks already, nice and OEM. Can't wait to get this on. So, oh, there you go, stain. So yeah, just imagine that. And dude, can't wait to get this on. The whole car is gonna be so clean, just super OEM style. Like I said, I like flares, but I'm not too big on it, and so these are gonna be awesome. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today, and just let me know what you guys think about the new front end for the car. Yeah, super excited about what's to come for this car and my coupe, so stay tuned guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, peace.